dripping out of your skin. The spuds are boiling. This is Chris from ModeMunch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine loaded potato skins, dusted and blackened seasoning with bacon, cheddar, sweet chili, and served with sour cream. Wouldn't you love, Spuds, to put those cheesy foreskins in your mouth? Well, the blackened seasoning is burnt black pepper and sea salt. For $15.50 restaurant appetizer, surprisingly good sauce, honey and sweet chili. While you're here, if you can stroke me bell and thump me back button too, so you can hear me moan about other stuff and all. Give them a good poke and boil them for about 10 minutes. While they're cooking, slice some thick cut bacon, sizzle them up. Place your spuds on some aluminium foil, season with olive oil, salt, lemon pepper, roll them up so that they're airtight and chuck them in the oven for about 15 minutes. Oh yeah, make sure they're covered in that olive oil. Yeah, yummy. After 15 minutes, take them out, cut them in half and scoop the guts out. Add the spud guts to a pan with a tablespoon of garlic paste, a splooge of cream cheese, a butter penis, and a thick wad of sour cream. Add a little bit of salt and pepper. Now mash those spud guts up. When that's mongolated, add some Aussie mustard. Splooge that in there. Add some grated cheese and some of that bacon you cooked earlier. And that's all done. Chuck it in the oven for 15 minutes more. Sweet chili honey mustard sauce, 4 skins, and added some horseradish to the sour cream to pop it up a notch. Make it look posh and nosh it up. Would you pay $15.50 for that? Well, it came in at $4.40. I know you want to. This has been Chris from ModeMunch, and I'll see you next Tuesday.